So I learned this from my mentor many years ago, and it has been very helpful in terms of my preparation, my daily activity planning, and I thought it wise to share it with you this morning. For those who are struggling to get on their feet, they are struggling to plan themselves and also to get their daily life in check. I think you also need to apply this. So I want you to listen closely so you actually get what I'm saying and the direction I'm coming from. You get. So this is what my mentor actually taught me many years ago when I was still in the university. He said, by God's grace, you are opportunity to see a new day, a new morning. You should actually do this ahead of time. One, after getting up from the bed, you should pray. As a Christian, you should pray. As a Muslim, you also know how you can do your own stuff. After praying, getting your house arranged, you should bathe and also brush your mouth, arrange clothes for maybe outing. And the reason for this is you may not know when opportunity will come knocking at your door. Most times when we wake up in the morning, back then when we were in school and there was no class, there was no activity, we just wake up and the next thing we go back to bed and scroll endlessly on our phone, virtually doing nothing. But doing this actually prepares you if opportunity just comes up. Take for example, and this was the example that I gave. Imagine your friend that was just passing by and he reached out to you. So, bro, I called you on phone, bro, how far? They pass your area, I'm within your area. I'm going for a meeting. I want you to come with me. Now, you are not to start thinking why he didn't call you earlier for you to prepare. You don't know if God actually touched his heart or just say, bro, get this person involved. And that was it. And so now, if you prepared, it will be easy for you to just get your clothes on and hop in the car and join your friend to the meeting. An opportunity that would have slipped by, you will just grab it. By connecting, by going to the meeting, something must have triggered your friend to call you. But in a situation whereby you are not prepared, you are not ready, you just woke up and you're just there, before you could get yourself ready, bathe, rush, and do everything, your friend may have passed because it was planned. He had where he was going to, so there's no time for him to start waiting for over 30 minutes to 45 minutes for you to get ready. So do this particular thing. If you wake up as a young person, even if you don't have plans of going out, bathe and get clothes ready in case opportunity. Even that interview that you went for, you don't know when they will call you or send you a message, can you drop by now? Other opportunity that you've been looking for a long time, even as a business person, you may not know when opportunity to say come over right now, can you make it 30 minutes? You shouldn't be giving them time. That's that readiness that you have will actually make them believe that this person is a go-getter. This person is always ready. This person is will want to work with this person. So please add this to your 2026 daily activity. Wake up, prepare, and let me just tell you the secret that I added to it. Waking up in the morning without just going to the bathroom to bathe and everything was a little bit hard for me because it wasn't my thing. But I needed to add something to it will make it easy for me. So, and that was exercising. Yes, I now introduce exercising into it. That okay, this is something I love doing, not on a regular basis. So, but this is an opportunity for me now to integrate this into this daily routine. So I will just wake up after praying and doing other stuff. I will just do few minutes, like 30 minutes exercise, be an indoor or outdoor exercise. That way I was able to ginger myself up and I will sweat and I will go into the bathroom and I will bathe and I will look fresh and I'll get ready for the day. I think you need to get this. And lastly, I have a planner for 2026 and I want you to get. I know everybody getting to 2026 will start writing long New Year resolution, but I think you need a plan or something that will be like a guide, because writing out what you want for 2026 without having a plan that will guide you, that will follow you through step by step, instead of having a whole year This one will come with monthly, quarterly, and yearly. So you won't actually miss out on any of the plans that you want for 2026. 2026 is actually going to be very intentional for people that are ready to go all out, that are ready to do the extra, they are ready to do whatever it takes to ensure that they follow up on their dreams, to meet up to their goals, and also getting the best out of the year. So you have to get this daily planner. It is very affordable, and you can actually scan through it within 2 hours, and you start ticking the box and how you get your year plan. And one interesting thing about this yearly planner that I have, that I've used and it has been very helpful for me for 2025, is it focuses on my finance, focuses on your finance, sorry, also your health, personal life. Yes, these three things are very important. You need a healthy body in order for you to make the money that you want, and you need to have a plan to ensure that you achieve all that you need for 2026. So if you're ready, you can click the link below, or on the comment section you'll get the link on how to access it. Very affordable. So see you on the next round. Thank you.